Mbalula did this, Mbalula did that, did this, did that. How is it going to help? Draw me into thuggery. I'm not going to do that. I will deal with him through the courts, which is permissible in our country. How do you deal with a thug which deviate from the real issue? The real issue is about his membership, which he does not have.
When asked if you take legal actions against Brian Mokgotsi, Mbalula says, "My lawyers are busy with him. He will have to prove it in court." This is classic South African politics. No court date, no arrest. He talks tough but is scared to be exposed.
So my lawyers are busy with him in terms of defamatory action. He will have to prove in court. I don't have any other recourse. He's an associate. You know, he's a hangers-on. So hangers-on of leaders. In the story about generations.
I don't want to lie to you, but I can tell you now that Fikile Mbalula overtalks while quoting the ANC constitution like Bible verses.
In the ANC constitution, who account about membership? It's me, as the Secretary General. Who is Brian Mokgotsi to claim membership of the ANC when I'm telling him that he's not a member? And he says that he's a member. You can believe him as far as you can. The ANC statutes and constitution are clear that the Secretary General you pass here about your membership. As the Secretary General, who is Brian Mokgotsi to claim membership of the ANC when I'm telling him that he's not a member? And he says that he's a member.
Mbalula didn't just deny. He went on a full-blown verbal tour from the history of the ANC to the Constitution to Jacob Zuma and the Northwest branches.
And that is it. So the chapter of him and his membership, the only person in the ANC constitution who account about membership, it's me. But from a point of membership, he's not a member of the ANC. Members of the ANC respect the organization. And the only people who will celebrate Brian Mokgotsi are of his kind.
Mbalula became personal, and that was an immediate red flag. He is not only protecting ANC, but himself. If Brian Mokgotsi is not an ANC member, don't overtalk. Fikile Mbalula repeats 10 times that Brian Mokgotsi is not an ANC member. This reveals more about his own anxiety than the status of Brian Mokgotsi. 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes of repetition, anger, and self-justification. This kind of talking makes you question what it is that he is really hiding. If Brian Mokgotsi is a nobody, like what he said,
specifically saying it's not the Mbalula National Congress, just how do you respond to some of that has come out in the past 24 hours?
Well, we have made our position very clear. And the position which you, as the media, asked, the status of Brian Mokgotsi, we have clarified that. And we are fully aware that most of the things that are alleged he would have been involved in would have been carried in the period that he was a member. His membership have lasted. Brian Mokgotsi is an associate of leaders. What the ANC have witnessed in the recent past, even as early as 1996, is that they seek to defame my character, do stand, and he's got facts about that. I'll deal with that. But from a point of him contesting membership, it's clear that you are talking about somebody who completely does not understand the ANC. And at the same time, he's in a wrong space. He's just been affirmed by factions in the movement. His association is not with the party. It's with certain leaders and certain factions. He doesn't understand the organ, the African National Congress. And
he is certainly making him feel like Brian Mokgotsi is a somebody. Just say Brian Mokgotsi is not an ANC member in just one clear line, not repeating 10 times. One thing for sure is that Fikile Mbalula is good with words. He is so good that he floods the listener with noise so that listeners don't ask questions. Is it what they are taught at cadet schools? the art of diversion. And if that is what they are taught, then they are very good. In South Africa, when a politician says, "Let me explain," just know that they are in trouble. As you can see on the clip, that it could have taken him 8 seconds to say that Brown Mogotsi is not an ANC member, but he preached for 8 minutes.